Hello everyone. Today we will start our new topic arithmetic progression in the sequence and series. Student, if you want to learn this topic then see the video up to last. We will do question wise here. I will put video question wise. Okay. You like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Whenever video upload you get the notification here. In the arithmetic progression we have done in the class 10th. In the arithmetic progression, first term is denoted by A and the common difference added in the first term we get second term and again added then we get the third term. Okay, then we will start here from arithmetic progression. In the arithmetic progression, it is written as A plus D, A plus 2D, D and then we get the next term here. Okay. Then this is called arithmetic progression. Here A equal to first term and D is A2 minus A1. This is called common difference. Okay. After that I will write here nth term or general term of an AP. Nth term or general term of an AP. General term is denoted by An equal to A plus n minus 1D, where n is the specific term here. Suppose we want to find third term, then we write A3. A3 equal to A plus 2D. After that I will write sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms is written by Sn. Its formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay. This is also written as Sn equal to n upon 2 a plus n minus 1d. This is n by 2 a plus n minus 1d is written as an. If the nth term is given, number of terms is given, first term is given, then we will apply this formula to find the sum of first n terms. And this is also written as L. Then Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. L is also an, last term of an AP. Clear? Now make a note. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. We want to find the sum here. To find the sum, if we have the first term, common difference, number of terms, then we can find the sum of first n terms. Or if we have number of terms, first term and last term, then we can also find the sum of first n terms. Okay. Now in the solution, we want to find the sum of odd integers. Then odd integers are here 1, 3, 5, 2001. Here first term is 1 and D is equal to A2 minus A1, then D is here 2. If we have number of terms, then we can find the sum here. To find the number of terms, we will imagine here 2001 is An. Means nth term is 2001. Then An is equal to A plus n minus 1D is equal to 2001. Then fill the value of A is here 1, n minus 1, D value is 2, 2001. 2n minus 2, this one become in the RHS, then we get 2001 minus 1. Then 2n is equal to 2 come in the RHS and plus 2, then we get 2002. Then n 2002 is divided by 2, then we get 1001. It means 1001 odd terms are here. You can write directly here if you want to write. Here total terms are 1 to 2001. 2001 terms are here. 1 to 2000. 1000 terms even and 1000 are odd and 2001 is odd. Then total odd terms are here 1001. We want to find the sum of first 1001 terms. Then first I will write here formula Sn equal to n by 2. You can apply any one because last term is also given here. I will apply here a plus an. Then S1001. Fill the value of n. 1001 upon 2. Value of a is 1 and an is 2001. Okay. I will write here now equal to 1001 upon 2. This is 2002. This 2 and 2002 cancel out. We get 1001. 1001 into 1001. Then when we will multiply, we get 1002001. Okay. Make a note. Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. We find to find the sum. Lying between means 100 is not count here, 1000 is not count here. 100 is completely divisible by 5. Then first number after 100 which is divisible by 5, that number is 105. When 5 add in the 100, then first number is 105, second number is 110, next is 115 as so on. Last number 1000 is completely divisible by 5. Before 1000 number is 995. We want to find the sum of these numbers. We can find same in this way. Here a equal to 105, d equal to a2 minus a1, because gap is 5 here, then d become 5. Now let 995 as an is a plus n minus 1d is equal to 995. Value of a 105, n minus 1 d is 5 here, 995. 105 come in the RHS, then this become minus sign. 995 minus 105. 995 minus 105. Then we get 5n minus 5 here. RHS we get 890. Then 5 come in the RHS, then add. Then we get 895. N equal to divisible by 5, then we get 1. Then 39 7. Then 45 9. 179. Means these number of terms are here 179. We want to find the sum of these terms. Now Sn equal to n by 2. You can apply any one because last term is also given here, a plus an. 179 upon 2. First is 105, an is 995. 995 plus 105 we get 1100. This cancel out by 2. 1100 is cancelled by 2, we get 550. Now multiply these two, then we get 98450. Make a note.